T25, go into the hole right here. You'll see it. And if you feel around for the T25, you will find it. There it is. After you loosen it, you'll know because it'll just drop down. And then from there, like this. And then now we need to separate the two clamshell pieces like so. First thing you're going to want to do too, I didn't mention this, but I'll post it here. Take your battery off. After you've pulled your battery, put your key, obviously not to the starting position, but to the on. Once you've put it onto the on position, you'll turn your steering wheel sideways like so. If you have some plastic panel poppers, and if you don't, you're gonna love to have these, so you should go buy them. They're super cheap. They're at like Princess Auto, anywhere else. They're like $5 for a bunch. So you grab it, you shove it in between the steering wheel and just pry down like this, and that's what made it separate. You literally just do this, and you have to force it, and then after that, now that side's free. This side should be free. And then now, you just make sure that handle's still flipped down. After you get the clamshell off like so, you'll flip this up. And there'll be two, if you look down through here, I'll never get lighting properly to do that. But if you flip it up, you'll see just under the skirt, two more T20s. So right here, if you were to do it, right there. Oh, look at that, Tariq to the rescue. So right in there. See that one? There's one right there and there's one on the other side. Take those two out. You get those two out, just grab right here, pull evenly on both sides, and slip your gauge cluster out. After that, also, you're gonna take clamshell out, pop clamshell out at the same time, bring it up here, slide it out. Disconnect those wires so that way you can put it off to the side. Get this loose, you're gonna turn it to the side and I'll show you here. So you see that blue clip that's on the side? Right there? What it is there's a rocker clip on it. Let's show you how it looks. It's this blue one right here. And it's on the back there. So you need to just turn it to the side. You'll see how there's this little blue notch in here? You have to compress that in, and then the lever, which is right here, tightens it. So see right there? That's if it was all the way down. So if you just press it lightly with a screwdriver, you can move it past and move it up. As soon as you're flipping it up, you'll see it pulling out of the back of the cluster. Once the cluster is up here and it's free, now you just have to work it out like that. Put the cluster off to the side, take a look right here. Boom, that's that little clip. That's where the blue clip was. Leave that here.